Hey folks, Craig Dweller here. Hope everybody's doing well. Well, it's a Saturday evening. Shelly's off with her sister celebrating her sister's birthday at the casino, so good luck with that. And anyway, so I'm home and I'm going to prepare a nice meal for myself. And what I'm going to be cooking up here is a really nice boneless ribeye here, some white mushrooms, a couple white onions, and using the good old cast iron skillet, my preferred way of cooking a nice meal. So yeah, or at least a nice steak. So let me get on with that. I'll get set up and I'll bring you along. That's good. So tonight I'm going to be enjoying a couple of these double IPAs by it's called Road to Ruin by Two Roads Brewery out of, I think it's the Stafford Springs area of Connecticut. It's a really nice double IPA, real hoppy and nice. But yeah, I'll be enjoying a couple of those as I cook this meal. And I think I'm going to steam up a little bit of asparagus as well. It's always good. If the asparagus is thick, I like to slice it down the middle. I know it's kind of weird, but like that. Make it a little thinner. And it cooks quicker too. I'm no chef, but I just, yeah, whatever works for you, you know. I don't claim to be a chef, obviously. I'm gonna steam this up really quick. There you go. The steak, I like to keep it simple. Just gonna season it with some garlic powder, pepper, and just regular table salt. It's a nice ribeye. Alright, I just like to go with olive oil. A little bit of oil in there. Nice hot, medium hot pan. Cook this about 4, maybe 5 minutes. It's a pretty thick steak. It's like an inch and, well, maybe a good inch and a half. 4 to 5 minutes on each side, then we'll finish it off in the oven. Get a nice char on there. Got the oven at 350. All right. out of the oven now. It's been in there about 7 minutes at 350. I'm gonna take this out and let it rest. All right, let that rest up for a minute. Loosely tent it with some foil, just a little bit. It'll keep cooking a little bit. Be ready to go. Throw those onions in the same pan that I had the steak in and the mushrooms. It picks up all the flavor from that steak. It's just delicious. Pan's already hot. Yeah. Alright, so steak's been resting for about 7-8 minutes. See what's going on with it. Let's see here. That's perfect. Perfect. It's a little overdone, but it's nice. All right. Yum yums. All right, let's plate this up. Well, let's do this. Let's see how we go here. The steak's cooked perfect. Mushrooms and onions nice. The asparagus is steamed up really good. Let's try this out. I gotta do it. Have a good night, folks.